So the questions that I have were why didn't we take the time to drill in around the bites, around the incidents, and try to establish through a good breadth of conversation on what we believe the potential precursors are to the aggression. It's so important because what I heard was from there, we basically said that the dog is anxious, needs to calm down, needs, regulation in the dog, needs structure, needs to know what's going on. And then we move to systematically in place a lot of the popular protocols around giving the dog predictability that things are occurring. One, two, three, Matt, look at that protocols. But then everything was also centered around bringing the dog down. The reason I feel like that is such a miss is because at the moment of the bite, the dog was way down. The dog was chiller than freaking polar bear's toenails before he bit her. So it's not about lowering the dog because the dog was vegging on the couch. So that I believe was a big miss. We should have centered the line of questioning around the head. And then I do believe that a lot of the touch practices that we were going to incorporate should have been around, we're going to work through touch. We're going to start with the places where the dog is clearly enjoying it and actively searching it out. And then we're going to test for sensitivity around the head to see if we see adverse responses so that we can confirm it is sensitivity around the head. And then from there, we're going to work it and reshape it, right? To feel okay, to not go into areas of the brain that say discomfort and pain, or I don't like emotional cognition to cause the terrier to go over the threshold.